Looking for a postgraduate business degree that gives you a competitive edge and skills that employers are looking for? Queen Margaret University offers an exciting range of postgraduate business courses designed to offer you hands-on experiential learning and a wide range of global opportunities. It's not essential to have a background in business to apply. All you need is a desire to manage and lead businesses that can make a positive difference in the world. You can choose from a master's in either accounting and finance, business analytics, international management and leadership, and international marketing. Each MSc option can offer you a bespoke pathway, so your learning fits with your career aspirations. Within your master choice, you will have the opportunity to create your own business, carry out a consulting project for a real business, or undertake your own specialised research dissertation. Whether you choose to study full-time or part-time will help you enhance your employability and confidence so you're ready for a position in a local, national or global organisation, the public sector, third sector, or even start your own business. Check out our postgraduate business course options on the Queen Margaret University website.